the 2020 Genesis G70. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has less than 10,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 3-liter six-cylinder engine. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. Top features include a split folding rear seat, speed-sensitive wipers, a power seat, power moonroof, and remote keyless entry. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 15 speakers, yielding maximum audio versatility. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as front and side impact airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.